You know, how to develop Feng Shui awareness? That is a really good question, because without Feng Shui awareness, you basically cannot do Feng Shui. My answer is very simple and straightforward, because it's already given to you in the term Feng Shui. Feng Shui, wind and water, while wind is the active force and water is the passive force. So we are actually looking at the yin and yang forces of nature in Feng Shui. So to know the conscious, we need to get to know the subconscious. So when we know the conscious, we know the subconscious. When we know the subconscious, then we can know the conscious. Now what I mean by that is that you can see something, but there are always something like behind what you can see that's in your subconscious. By knowing both the yin and yang, you get to fully become aware, become conscious of what the thing is. So let's take an example, right? I have a cup in here right now. You can see the container of the cup. It's a green cup, a cup with a green leaf, right? But we know subconsciously, right, the usefulness of this cup is in this emptiness, right? Whether it has a leaf or whether it's plain white, it's the image, the conscious, the visible, but it is the emptiness, right? The formless, right? The unconscious, as it were, that makes the cup useful. Now, even though I understand the yang and the yin, the conscious and unconscious, I hold them together, but it's still not alive, right? It only come alive, right, when I give a task. This is in Feng Shui, or when you do I Ching, you ask the question, right? So it's the question, it's the task. It's that I'm going to make a cup of tea, right? Now, this cup comes alive, right? Because it's got a relevant function. And this cup here resides in the ground. And together, by looking at the conscious and the unconscious, the yin and the yang, and what you have to do, right? You make this cup come alive. And you understand the visible and the invisible, the form, the formless, the conscious and the subconscious, and you become fully aware, fully conscious what this cup is all about. And you do the same thing with the space. Can you turn the camera? The space around you, right? And that way you understand how to develop Feng Shui consciousness. Thank you.